So, I think you all can tell by the title what the video is about. I'll be sharing 6 of my favorite food hacks with you guys today, which are extremely easy to make and won't take you more than 5 to 10 minutes. I'm extremely excited for this video, so I won't take much of your time and let's go straight away to the hacks. The first hack is for iced tea coffee. For that, take out 3 mini cups or bowls. In the first, add a spoon of powdered coffee and some warm water. In the second, add milk and a spoon of powdered coffee. In the third, add sugar and warm water. Mix it well and pour the 3 mixtures into an ice tray separately. Yup, of course I created a mess. Put the tray back in the freezer to make coffee and sugar ice cubes. Now for the coffee, take a glass of cold milk and add some diluted coffee in it. I like my coffee strong, so I am pouring some black coffee in the glass. If that's the case with you as well, you can do so too. Now take your ice cubes and drop them in the glass. You can add 2 ice cubes of sweetener if you wish to do so. And yup, that's it. Your iced coffee is ready. The second hack is for mug pizza. The very first thing that you need for that is of course a mug. Add 2 to 3 spoons of all-purpose flour, a little bit of baking powder and baking soda. Add some milk and oil. Mix it till it becomes a dough. That'll be your pizza base. Now a spoonful of pizza or pasta sauce. If you don't have it at home, you can use tomato ketchup. You can choose your toppings. I've added cheese, tomatoes and chicken sausages. To enhance the taste, sprinkle some oregano and chili flakes. Put the mug in the microwave for just 2 minutes. And your mug pizza is hot and ready. Hack number 3 is for breadcrumbs. Take 4 to 5 breads and cut the sides. Breadcrumbs are usually used to top up casseroles, stuffing poultry or crumbing foods. Here's a quick way of making it. Break the bread into small pieces and grind it finely. Take out your pan and dry roast the grinded bread. Your flame should be at medium and make sure you don't burn your bread. You can store the breadcrumbs for about 7 to 8 days. Onion rings is hack number 4, an easy and impressive evening snack. Cut 2 onion into rings, then separate all the rings. Take a big and a small ring and stuff mozzarella cheese between them. Put it in the freezer for some time. Till then, take out 3 bowls. Put some all-purpose flour in one, crack and beat 2 eggs in the second, and some breadcrumbs in the third. Take a pan and put reasonable amount of refined oil. Take your onion rings, drop it in the flour, then eggs, and then the breadcrumbs. Then you deep fry it. Sprinkle some chaat masala if you want to. The 5th hack is for chocolate pops. For this, you'll need Oreos and chocolate syrup only. Grind the Oreo biscuits finely. Add some chocolate syrup to it and mix it well. Now use your hands to make small chocolate balls. Put some chocolate syrup on the balls. You can sprinkle some powdered sugar and cocoa powder too. Freeze your chocolate pops if you want. The last hack is for mug cake. You can use any biscuit for this. Grind the biscuits well. Add baking powder, baking soda, add some milk and melted butter. Mix the batter well for some time and pour it into a mug. Put the mug in the microwave for just 2 minutes. That's it, your mug cake is ready. You can also add some melted chocolate over it. In case you're wondering if it's fluffy, hell yes it is. And that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and to leave a comment down below. We post videos on YouTube weekly, so stay tuned. Till then, goodbye, this is Pratisha and thank you for watching.